Glass allows natural light to penetrate deeper into offices and keep spaces visually open. Even when electric privacy glass and film are switched to opaque, they still let daylight through. Access to daylight has a significant impact on employee productivity and job satisfaction, so the fewer walls or barriers placed near the exterior, the better. Consider putting open and group spaces along the perimeter of the office near windows and placing private offices in the interior of the office space.
Glass acts as a barrier against noise. Smart glass includes these soundproofing properties at no additional cost, making workspaces quieter without acting as a visual barrier. However, collaboration in an open office involves conversation. That's why A.R.A. Wraps also offers movable glass partitions, sliding doors, and retractable glass walls to create a truly dynamic open office space.
Open offices that use glass partitions are less expensive to build because they require less infrastructure. By allowing both natural light and artificial light to flow between spaces, glass lowers energy costs. Workers benefit from increased natural light, shared workspaces, and open communication. This results in greater job satisfaction.